Okay, now what we're going to do is make the setup. Just before we mix our CSA, we want to have the table prepped, ready to receive that material. So first thing we're going to do is take our piece of plywood, and we're going to lay that right at the edge of the table. Now you're going to see that the prism is going to roll in that direction. So this would be the starting point. So that's where we're going to lay our plywood. And we want it to overhang the end, maybe 1/4 inch, maybe not much more than a 1/2 inch, but near the edge, so you can basically be able to catch this with your fingers when it comes to the first roll. Okay, next we're going to lay out our 2 pieces of plastic. So these will actually end up on the outside of the prism when we're done, but we're going to line one of those up with this edge, the leading or the front edge, first edge. So this edge here, and then the second one we're going to line up with the final edge up here. Now these are about 5 feet long, 4 feet wide, and this is where your clips come in. So occasionally the wind will blow, and of course it will blow strategically at the time you're just about to lay down the CSA. If you have multiple people, then it's not that big of an issue because some folks can hold things together. But these clips are really just a temporary way to hold the plastic in place. Okay, we've got our plastic down. Next thing, we're going to bring our tub, which is where we're going to pour our CSA. Okay, so this is now ready. And then we have our jute mat material, and we can go ahead and start it off. Don't really have to lay it in here, but it saves one little bit of a step. So we've got our jute material now in the mixing tub, and now what we're going to do is mix our CSA.